Hello children, welcome back to your online class. Children, do remember the objective type questions, that is fill in the blanks, optional questions and match the column that you all have to do in your book. But the question answer related to the chapter you have to do in your fair notebooks. Okay? So class 7, let's continue our chapter 5, heat. And today's topic is temperature. So first of all, we will talk about the temperature. What is temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is known as temperature. The temperature of an object tells us how hot or cold the object is. A high temperature of an object tells us that it is very hot, whereas a low temperature of the object tells us that it is quite cold. For example, the temperature of boiling water is 100 degree Celsius, which is quite high. So boiling water feels to be very hot. On the other hand, the temperature of melting ice is 0 degree Celsius, which is quite low. So ice feels to be very cold to touch. Now we will talk about the different units of temperature. Children, temperature is measured by using a device or instrument called thermometer. A thermometer has a scale marked on it which is used to read the temperature. There are three temperature scales in use: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. Now here are the three scales of temperature: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. Now first of all we will talk about the Celsius scale. The most common temperature scale marked on thermometer for measuring temperatures is the Celsius scale. So the temperature is expressed in the unit of degree Celsius. A thermometer is said to be graduated in centigrade scale. This Celsius, earlier it was called centigrade. Okay, so a thermometer is said to be graduated in centigrade scale when the distance between the freezing point and the boiling point of water is equally divided into 100 divisions. Okay, and each division is termed as 1 degree Celsius. In this unit, this small zero is called degree and this letter C denotes Celsius. Okay, so the unit is called read as degree Celsius. In this scale, 0 degree Celsius is called lower fixed point and 100 degree Celsius is called upper fixed point. Second one is Fahrenheit scale. The Fahrenheit scale was developed by Daniel Gabriel. Doctor's thermometer, which are also called clinical thermometer, is graduated in Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale starts at 32 degree Fahrenheit and goes up to 200 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, if you will convert 32 degree Fahrenheit, it will be equal to 0 degree Celsius and 212 degree Fahrenheit will be equal to 100 degree Celsius. Okay, the stem of the thermometer from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit is equally divided into 180 parts, or we can say 180 degree Fahrenheit. Each part is called 1 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Here F stands for Fahrenheit. Clinical thermometers are marked from 95 degree to 95 degree Fahrenheit to 100 degree Fahrenheit, and normal human body temperature on Fahrenheit scale is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, which is equal to 37 degree Celsius. Okay, so what I said, normal human body temperature on Fahrenheit scale is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, and this is equal to 37 degree Celsius. Okay, so if the question comes, what is the normal human body temperature on Fahrenheit scale, then you will give the answer 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, and on Celsius scale it will be 37 degree Celsius. Clear? Now third one is Kelvin scale. The Kelvin scale is named after William Thomson Kelvin, a British physicist who devised it in 1848. Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. It is an important scale used in most of science. The big difference is that it is based on a single point, absolute zero, which is given a value of 0 Kelvin. K stands for Kelvin. The scale increases by degrees that are the same size as Celsius degree. It is a scale that is based on energy content rather than on arbitrary temperature values like the other two scales. So what we have learned, let me be more clear. If we talk about the Celsius scale, there are two fixed point, lower fixed point and upper fixed point. Lower fixed point is the freezing point of water, that is 0 degrees Celsius, and upper fixed point is the boiling point of water, that is 100 degrees Celsius. And this Celsius scale, in Celsius scale, this part is divided equally into 100 equal parts. In Fahrenheit scale, the lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is the freezing point of water, and upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit, which is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit. Okay, and this is divided into 180 equal parts. And in Kelvin scale, lower fixed point is 273 Kelvin and upper fixed point is 373 Kelvin, and scale is divided into 100 equal parts. We can easily convert temperature of one scale to the other by using the conversion formula between temperature scales. For this is the conversion formula. C upon 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9, where C stands for Celsius and F stands for Fahrenheit. Okay. Now for example, we have to convert 100 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. What we will do? We will put this value in this formula. So we have Celsius value 100 degrees Celsius. We will put this 100 in this formula. So 100 upon 5, F will be there, minus 32 upon 9. Now 5, we will cut it 20. Okay, 25 is 100. Now we will cross multiply. Okay, so we will get F is equal to, it will go here 20 into 9 plus 32, because this is of minus, and when we will take it to the other side, it will be changed in positive sign. Okay, so positive 32. So 20 multiplied by 9, we get 180 plus 32, and this will become 212. So 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Like this we can change, we can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we have also a formula, conversion formula between Kelvin and degrees Celsius. For example, we have to convert 300 Kelvin in degrees Celsius. Here K stands for Kelvin. So we will put the Kelvin value in this formula, that is 300. We will put it here So we will get 300 is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Now we will take this into the into other side. So degree Celsius will is equal to 300 and this will become negative 273. So minus 273 and we will get 27. 300 minus 273 we will get 27. So 300 Kelvin is equal to 27 degree Celsius will be the answer. Now next one is difference between heat and temperature. Okay, heat is a form of energy while temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Second one is heat is measured in joule or calories while temperature is measured in Celsius, Kelvin or Fahrenheit. Third one, heat does not determine the direction of flow of heat while temperature determines the direction of flow of heat. Okay, and it always flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body of at a lower temperature. Children, this much for today. Till our next video. Thank you and bye bye.